Hello, little learners! Welcome to the Surprise Egg Color Factory! Let's discover colorful surprises together! Look! A red surprise egg! What colorful surprises are inside? Wow! Red fire truck, red apple, and red balloon! Look! A blue surprise egg! Let's open it together! Wow! Blue whale, blue car, and blue umbrella! Look! A green surprise egg! Let's see the surprises! Wow! Green frog, green tractor, and green watermelon! Look! An orange surprise egg! What surprises are inside? Wow! Orange pumpkin, orange basketball, and orange fruit! Look! A yellow surprise egg! What will we find inside? Wow! Yellow duck, yellow banana, and yellow sun! Look! A purple surprise egg! Let's open it together! Wow! Purple grapes, purple octopus, and purple kite! Look! A pink surprise egg! What will we find inside? Wow! Pink flamingo, pink cupcake, and pink flower! Look! A brown surprise egg! Let's discover the surprises! Wow! Brown bear, brown horse, and brown coconut! Look! A white surprise egg! What is hiding inside? Wow! White rabbit, white sheep, and white snowman! Look! A gold surprise egg! What shiny surprises are inside? Wow! Gold crown, gold star, and gold treasure chest! Look! A black surprise egg! Let's see the surprises! Wow! Black cat, black crow, and black race car! Look! A silver surprise egg! What shiny surprises are inside? Wow! Silver robot, silver rocket, and silver moon! Look! A lime green surprise egg! What surprises are hiding inside? Wow! Lime green lizard, lime green leaf, and lime green scooter! Look! A light blue surprise egg! Let's open it together! Wow! Light blue airplane, light blue dolphin, and light blue kite!